Hey everybody, Canning Nana here. Today we are dehydrating bananas and we are going to make banana chips with the Excalibur Dehydrator. And I'm putting these in at 6:17 p.m. tonight. I'm putting these in now, and I have my grandbabies, and by the morning these will be crisp and ready to eat, and they just love them. They are like candy. I don't put anything on them. I just do them as is and put them in the dehydrator overnight, and we have banana chips. And here is my Excalibur right here, and you see all the jars and everything. But this is my new Excalibur that I'm going to be doing lots of videos on. We're going to be doing lots of dehydrating as soon as I get my fall garden going. And we're going to be learning together. So banana chips, I will let you know in the morning how they turn out and take another video. Thanks for watching. I know these videos are really short. I'm really short on time lately, but I'm coming back, and I'll be doing full-length videos and tutorials on canning, getting back to my roots very soon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe and follow me. Bye-bye.